Hello sir, I am discuss trigonometrical ratio. Trigonometrical ratio is the property of the right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle where this is theta angle, this is 90-degree angle. The right angle triangle have three sides and three angles. One angle is 90 degree and other two angle are acute angle. This is 90 degree, this theta, then this angle is 90 minus theta, because any triangle theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 has three angle, then theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 equal to 180 degree. So here theta plus 90 minus theta plus 90 equal to 180 degree. That property is satisfied in right angle triangle. So this angle is 90 minus theta. In right angle triangle, the ratio of two sides is called trigonometrical ratio. This type of ratio is sixth type of ratio is found in right angle triangle, as like same इधर, this is called base, this is called perpendicular, opposite side, same as base, same adjacent, same as hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse, perpendicular and base, three sides. Two sides have one ratio, as like perpendicular upon base, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, same as base upon hypotenuse, base upon perpendicular, one, two, three, four, and hypotenuse, hypotenuse upon perpendicular, last hypotenuse upon base. That ratio is called trigonometrical ratio. In trigonometrical, it is called perpendicular upon base is called tangent. Yeah, with respect to theta, tan theta, and same perpendicular upon hypotenuse is called sine with respect to theta, sin theta. Base upon hypotenuse is called cotangent. cotangent with respect to theta called cot theta, and base upon hypotenuse base upon hypotenuse is called cosine. In with respect to theta is called cos theta. Base upon perpendicular is called cotangent. With respect to theta it is called cot theta. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular in sine called cosecant. With respect to theta is called cosec theta. Same as hypotenuse upon base is called secant. With respect to theta is called sec theta. That is the trigonometrical ratio. In trigonometrical ratio, theta is fixed, and with respect to theta we can assume tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta, same as sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta, and cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta, because base upon hypotenuse is cos theta and hypotenuse upon base, same reverse, is sec theta. So